Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing all of this, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So I got me some new Bible things. My husband actually surprised me with them and I wanted to share them with you guys because I love it so much. First of all, I did get a new Bible and I did add some stuff and I plan on adding more stuff. I plan on adding more stuff to it. If you guys want to check that out, don't forget to follow me or subscribe. This is the Bible I got. I did add this and I plan on getting an ARR for my last name. Look how beautiful this Bible is. This is a King James version and I haven't had a Bible since 2015 and that one was pretty used up. So let me go ahead and show you everything. It has like a couple, like the first few pages are like this that you can actually write on, and then it has the introduction, which my husband wrote on there for me, and then he actually highlighted a verse for me. It says in Proverbs 18 verse 22, it says, "Whoso findeth a wife findeth a good thing and obtain favor of the Lord." Isn't that so sweet? I have the best husband. And I love the fact that it does have 2 tabs. I plan on like adding some charms and stuff to this. So stay tuned for that because I really want to kind of decorate it. And then I'm going to show you the next thing that I got, which came with these, which I do not plan on putting. I may use these stickers for like my notebook, but I'm gonna probably give these to my daughter because she plans on getting a new Bible as well. It comes with this right here to take notes in. Has these little tabs that you can put in your Bible, which is like what I used for my Bible. Let me go ahead and show you. You can see right here, they just kind of slightly stick out, which is really nice. So it comes with that. It comes with this and it has 4 extra tabs, but if you're planning on getting this Bible, it doesn't fit, which to me is fine because I'm using it to kind of hold this. You can see I put my notebook right there. You can put these in here as well for now. So I give it to my daughter. I just like to put my Bible in it, just like that, to just kind of hold it, just like that. And then when I do read my Bible, this is how I'm going to use it. I'll take it out and then it'll have all of its charms, and this will actually help protect all the charms that I plan on putting on it. And then that comes with this really cute little carrying case. Let me go ahead and show you everything else that it comes with because it actually comes with a lot. So it comes with all these pens and markers, and then it has a black one as well. And then it comes with all of this stuff. So you have your like little markers like that, which I really like. Comes with some tape, different sizes. Then it comes with these, which again are just like little notepad things that you can put inside your Bible to take little notes on. And they're like really thin, like kind of see-through, as you can see. And then it comes with like a handful of these. This is not all of them, but I'll go ahead and show you what they are. They're like little cross, little pins, which I thought was super cute. And I believe that's everything that that one comes with. The Bible did come with the bookmark too. So yeah, that's everything that that came with, the whole set. And then I bought this also separately, which are these markers, and I've already tried them out. They have some just neon colors and then some glitter. The one with the glitter, you can see like little chunks of glitter inside the lids, and they are like gel pens, like the Jelly Roll. That's what they remind me of, but this is so much more affordable. I believe this whole thing was like $10, which is crazy because if you go to Walmart and buy the Jelly Roll, I think you get like 4 or 5 for $10. So this is a great deal. The colors are very vibrant and everything. Let me go ahead and show you some, like just the pink one. I'm just gonna draw on this. So you can see I drew that little heart. They are very vibrant, and I plan on using these with my Bible as well, with all those other markers to help take notes and stuff. Let me go ahead and show you what the glitter ones look like. I'll do green. So you can see, you see how it's like really sparkly? This one's just matte and that one's glittery. So really nice pens. You can see they have a lot of juice up in them, which is awesome. I think this is a really great buy. I love everything, and this kind of stuff excites me to get in my Word. If you know someone that's having a birthday or something, you want to encourage them to get in the Word, get them like a whole gift set like this, because it's something that I think they'll really love. I know that I love it, and it helps you just, I don't know, having cute stuff and all these little things to help you really study the Word is awesome. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.